Para po ito sa busy individuals who don't have a lot of time to cook. Tara na't panoorin ninyo ang aking 30-minute meal. Alam ko magugustuhan ninyo kasi you will save time, effort, and money. Gagamit tayo ng thigh part, 600 grams po yan, cut into serving size. Pero you can use any part you like ng chicken. Tapos lagyan natin ng chopped garlic and ginger, cut into strips. Light soy sauce, season na lang po according to your taste. And 2 tablespoon oyster sauce. I'm not adding salt since my soy sauce na and oyster sauce. Then, put some ground black pepper and chili powder. Optional po yan sa ayaw ng spicy. And then mix well. After mixing, add 1.5 tablespoon cornstarch and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Mix again. Then marinate for 1 to 2 hours. After 2 hours, lagyan ng foil yung steaming rack ng rice cooker. Tapos i-shape na lang natin yung yung foil. Tapos ikat na lang natin yung sobra. Tapos ilagay na natin yung marinated chicken doon sa foil. Isasabay natin ito sa pagluluto ng kanin. My kanin is about to boil kaya pwede na nating ilagay ang chicken. Then steam natin siya ng 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 minutes, luto na. Ano pang inaantay nyo? Kainan na!